For a second year in a row, US-based ocean data specialist Saildrone is sending a fleet of storm-chasing drones into the heart of the Atlantic Ocean's Hurricane Alley to intercept large and destructive hurricanes, collecting critical data to make coastal communities safer. Saildrone is again partnering with the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, the NOAA. This year they plan to send 7 uncrewed surface vehicles, USVs, to brave Atlantic hurricane season, collecting further insights into how hurricanes grow and intensify. Storms that intensify rapidly can cause extensive damage and loss of life, and real-time observing systems are crucial to better understanding the atmospheric and oceanic processes that lead to the information and intensification of these hurricanes. Saildrone last year debuted their Saildrone, sent 5 of their vehicles to the Atlantic Ocean and Gulf of Mexico to help better understand the hurricanes. One of the drones sailed into the eyewall of Category 4 Hurricane Sam, located approximately 645 miles from Bermuda, where it faced massive 100-foot waves and 140 miles per hour winds, to film the very first live footage from inside the eye of a major hurricane in the open ocean. This year, the NOAA is predicting an average hurricane season with up to 21 named storms and 3 major hurricanes with the winds above 110 miles per hour. Please do check out my other videos and subscribe